I tried Coinmetro wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first tried the Coinmetro wallet app, I expected a typical crypto exchange experience. But after 7 days, the shocking truth is that Coinmetro feels more like a bank of the features simple, transparent, and built for real users, not just traders. On day 1, setup was quick and secure. The app uses advanced encryption, two-factor authentication, and clear verification steps. It instantly gave me confidence that my assets were safe. By day 2, I started exploring its trading and wallet interface. Everything is sleek, minimal, and surprisingly beginner-friendly. Unlike other apps that drown you in charts and jargon, Coinmetro simplifies everything. You see your balances, staking rewards, and price movements clearly. On day 4, I tried its staking feature. Coinmetro offers flexible options for assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the returns are automatically credited to your balance. No complicated contracts or diffy confusion, just clean automatic earnings. By day 6, I tested withdrawals and transfers. This was the real surprise. Transactions were lightning fast, and the fees were among the lowest I've seen. Most people get this wrong. They think regulated exchanges are slow, but Coinmetro proved otherwise. By the 7th day, the shocking truth was clear. Coinmetro isn't trying to compete with the big crypto casinos, it's trying to make crypto banking normal. It's transparent, well-regulated, and genuinely easy to use. If you want a wallet that blends security, speed, and simplicity, Coinmetro is worth a serious look. It's not just a crypto wallet, it's a bridge to the mainstream financial world.